Welcome to Cozy Home Interior. What if I told you your small apartment could feel twice as big without knocking down a single wall? Most people think they need more space, but the truth is, they just need smarter design. In the next few moments, you'll discover how warm color palettes can instantly make your home feel cozier, why multifunctional furniture is a total game changer, and how simple tricks like mirrors and lighting can completely transform your space. We're talking about hidden storage, furniture that works double duty, and visual illusions designers don't usually share. These are the exact ideas that make tiny apartments look high-end, open, and effortlessly stylish. And the best part? You can start applying them today. So before we dive in, ask yourself, are you really using your space the right way? Let's find out. Lighting can completely transform how a small space feels, shifting it from cramped to open in seconds. Instead of relying on a single overhead fixture, layer your lighting with warm ambient sources like floor lamps, wall sconces, or table lamps to create depth and softness. The real game changer, however, is the mirror trick. Placing a large floor-length mirror directly opposite your main window reflects natural light throughout the room, instantly making it brighter and visually deeper. This simple placement doubles the perception of space without adding anything bulky. It also enhances the overall atmosphere, making your home feel more dynamic and inviting during the day. Combine this with soft, warm lighting at night to maintain that airy vibe around the clock. Would you try repositioning your mirror for a bigger impact? Share your thoughts in the comments before we move on to the next idea. Relying on a single overhead fixture can flatten a small room, making it feel harsh and confined. Instead, layered lighting introduces depth, softness, and dimension that instantly elevates the atmosphere. Start with warm-toned floor lamps to create a cozy base glow, then add LED strips under kitchen cabinets or shelves to highlight surfaces and add subtle brightness where needed. Small plug-in wall sconces bring light to eye level, creating gentle shadows that make the room feel more dynamic and visually interesting. This combination eliminates dark corners while avoiding the glare of a big light. The result is a balanced environment that feels both functional and inviting throughout the day and night. Thoughtful lighting placement can completely reshape how your space is experienced without changing any furniture. Which lighting layer would you add first to your home? Share in the comments before we move on to the next idea. In a compact living space, furniture should work smarter, not harder. Every piece needs a purpose beyond the obvious. Think of a sleek ottoman that hides storage, a coffee table that lifts into a workspace, or a sofa that converts into a bed for guests. These workhorse pieces maximize function while minimizing clutter, allowing you to keep the layout open and efficient. Instead of filling your apartment with multiple single-use items, choose designs that adapt to your daily needs. This not only saves space but also creates a cleaner, more intentional look. The goal is flexibility. Your space should evolve throughout the day without feeling crowded or chaotic. When done right, multifunctional furniture becomes the backbone of a well-designed small home. Which dual-purpose piece would make the biggest difference in your space? Drop your answer in the comments before we move on to the next idea. Rethinking your coffee table can completely change how your small space functions. A large upholstered ottoman or a storage bench offers far more than a flat surface. It becomes a hidden storage solution that keeps everyday clutter out of sight. Blankets, board games, or even extra pillows can be tucked neatly inside, instantly making your living area feel cleaner and more spacious. The soft surface also adds comfort, doubling as extra seating or even a footrest after a long day. Unlike bulky tables, these pieces keep the room visually light while still being incredibly practical. Choosing neutral fabrics or textured upholstery helps them blend seamlessly into your design without overpowering the space. It's a simple switch that delivers both style and function in one move. Would you trade your coffee table for a storage ottoman? Tell me in the comments before we move on to the next idea. One subtle design trick that instantly makes a small space feel larger is choosing furniture with slim, exposed legs. This leggy look allows you to see more of the floor, creating a sense of openness and visual flow throughout the room. When bulky furniture sits directly on the ground, it can feel heavy and blocky, but raised pieces feel lighter and more breathable. Sofas, armchairs, and even cabinets with tapered legs help extend sightlines, making the entire space appear less crowded. Pair this approach with a consistent flooring tone to amplify the effect and keep everything visually seamless. It's a simple adjustment, but it can dramatically improve how spacious your home feels without changing the layout. Would you switch to leggy furniture to open up your space? Share your thoughts in the comments before we move on to the next idea. Creating a warm and modern color palette transforms a small space into a cozy yet open retreat. Instead of harsh whites, embrace warm neutrals like soft beige, creamy taupe, and muted terracotta to add depth without overwhelming the room. Pair these tones with natural textures such as wood, linen, and matte finishes to enhance comfort and visual balance. Subtle contrasts, like charcoal accents or brushed brass details, keep the design feeling modern and refined. Lighting also plays a key role. Warm ambient lighting softens edges and makes the palette feel inviting at any time of day. This approach, often called warm minimalism, allows simplicity to feel rich and lived in rather than cold and empty. What colors would you choose for your own space? Share your thoughts in the comments before we move to the next idea. Warm neutrals are the secret to making a small space feel both bright and inviting without relying on cold white walls. Shades like beige, oatmeal, and mushroom gently reflect natural light, helping the room feel open while adding a soft, comforting warmth. Unlike stark white, these tones create a more relaxed and lived-in atmosphere that instantly feels like home. Pair them with light wood finishes, woven textures, and subtle fabric layers to build depth without visual clutter. Even in compact spaces, this palette keeps everything cohesive and calm while still looking modern. The beauty of warm neutrals is their versatility. They work with almost any decor style, from minimal to cozy contemporary. Which warm neutral shade would you try first in your space? Let me know in the comments before we move on to the next idea. Natural textures are essential for bringing warmth and character into a small space without adding visual clutter. Light woods like oak or birch instantly brighten the room while maintaining a soft, organic feel that pairs beautifully with warm neutrals. Incorporating linen fabrics for curtains or cushions introduces a breathable, relaxed texture, while woven rugs ground the space and add subtle pattern without overwhelming the design. These elements work together to create visual warmth, making the room feel layered, cozy, and inviting without sacrificing simplicity. The key is balance. Choose a few textures and repeat them thoughtfully to keep the look cohesive and clean. Even in the smallest apartments, natural materials can make the environment feel richer and more comfortable. Which texture would you add first to your space? Share in the comments before we move on to the next idea. Looking upward is one of the most effective ways to unlock space in a small apartment. Floor-to-ceiling shelving draws the eye vertically, creating the illusion of higher ceilings and a more expansive room. Instead of spreading storage across the floor, this approach uses wall height to its full potential, keeping the footprint clean and open. Place everyday essentials within easy reach, while reserving the upper shelves for items you rarely use, like seasonal decor or storage boxes. This not only keeps clutter out of sight but also organizes your space more intentionally. To maintain a balanced look, mix closed storage with a few curated decorative pieces. The result feels structured yet visually light, not overwhelming. Would you go all in on vertical storage to maximize your space? Share your thoughts in the comments before we move on to the next idea. If you want your space to feel instantly lighter without removing functionality, acrylic or ghost furniture is a powerful design move. Clear chairs or coffee tables practically disappear into the room, allowing light to pass through and keeping sight lines uninterrupted. This reduces visual weight, making even a tight layout feel more open and breathable. Unlike bulky furniture that demands attention, acrylic pieces quietly support the design while letting other elements stand out. They work especially well in small apartments where every visual detail matters. Pair them with soft textiles or warm accents to avoid a cold or overly modern look. The result is a balanced space that feels both stylish and spacious without adding clutter. Would you try transparent furniture in your home? Share your thoughts in the comments before we move on to the next idea.